Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a complete guide on how to host or attend a meeting on Zoom, one of the most popular video conferencing platforms in the world. Whether you're working remotely, attending online classes, or just trying to connect with friends and family, this video will help you master the basics of using Zoom. So, make sure you watch till the end, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides like this one. Alright, let's get started with how to host a meeting on Zoom. First, open the Zoom Workplace desktop app on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you can easily download it from the official Zoom website at zoom.us/download. Once you've installed the app, open it up and sign in with your Zoom account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a few minutes using your email or Google account. After signing in, you'll see the Home tab at the top of the Zoom app. This is your main dashboard, where you can view upcoming meetings, schedule new ones, or start an instant meeting now. You'll notice that any meetings you've scheduled appear right here in chronological order for the day. If you can't find the one you're looking for, no worries. Just click the three dots. Icon the ellipses to filter or search for specific meetings. Once you've found the meeting you want to start, simply click on it. You'll see the meeting details such as the topic, time, and participants. Then, hit start, and just like that, your Zoom meeting will begin. When your meeting starts, you'll have access to several important controls at the bottom of your screen, like turning your microphone and camera on or off, sharing your screen, and managing participants. You can also click Invite to send out the meeting link to others who need to join. Zoom makes it incredibly easy to connect with people anywhere in the world in just a few clicks. Now, let's move on to how you can attend or join a Zoom meeting that someone else is hosting. If you already have the Zoom app on your computer or smartphone, simply open it. From the home screen, click Join a Meeting. You'll then be asked to enter the meeting ID. This is a unique 9, 10, or 11-digit code that the host provides. Type in the meeting ID carefully and then click Join. If you don't have the Zoom app, you can still join a meeting directly from your web browser. Just open Google Chrome or any other browser and go to zoom.us/join. Enter the meeting ID and Zoom will automatically guide you through the joining process. Sometimes, meetings are password protected for security reasons. If that's the case, Zoom will prompt you to enter the meeting password before you can join. Once you're in, you can choose whether to turn your camera on or off. And you can also mute or unmute your microphone depending on whether you're speaking. When you're inside the meeting, you'll see a variety of useful tools like Chat, where you can send messages to the host or other participants, and Reactions, where you can raise your hand or show a thumbs up emoji during the session. You can also click Leave Meeting at any time once you're done, and that's it. That's how you host or attend a Zoom meeting. Simple, straightforward, and super convenient for staying connected. Zoom has become one of the go-to apps for virtual communication. And knowing how to use it effectively can make your online meetings so much smoother. So, if this guide helped you out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends or coworkers. And please subscribe to the channel for more clear and easy tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep learning.